Hello, we are shooting this video today to show you how you receive your brand new SCM woodworking machine. First of all, no need to tell because I'm pretty sure you will do it carefully. Check the packaging. Okay, now you can start to unpack your machine. Pay attention to the accessories package that is on the machine. Locate it and take it apart. For machines of the Invincibile class or Nova series, you have the possibility to extend the warranty of the machine up to 2 years. This means 1 year more than a standard warranty, and it's for free. You just need to register your machine online. To do that, all you need is to locate the flyer with the instruction that comes within the machine. Now, pay attention to this. If you bought a Invincibile class or Nova machine and you do not find the warranty flyer when you receive the machine, immediately call the dealer where you bought the machine and ask for it. Or you can send an email to scmwarrantyextension@scmgroup.com. You will find the URL of the registration page on this flyer. But before to go on your laptop or to start the registration process on your smartphone, take a picture of the machine plate and of the invoice. You will need them during the registration of your machine. Okay, now that we have everything we need, let's register our machine.
Okay, now you can write in your browser the URL that you find in the warranty flyer and reach the registration page. Then click on Register Now and insert the serial number of your machine. Click Submit. Now you must attach the picture of your machine's plate that we took some moments ago, and then write your name, surname, and email address. Repeat it. And now insert your telephone number. After this, you have to select if you are a company or a private person, and then select the nation where you are from, then select the country, and only after that you must write the city where you are from. Now you select if you bought your machine from a dealer, and in this case you must write down the name of the dealer, or if you directly bought your machine from SCM. You must now attach the invoice of your machine and input the date of your purchase. I suggest you to do it by clicking on the calendar icon to avoid confusion due to the different date format. You must now agree with privacy terms. The first checkbox is mandatory, and you can choose if you want to stay updated with what is happening in SCM by receiving our newsletter or not. Click Submit. Now you completed your registration process and you will receive an email with warranty extension conditions. If you would like, you can download those conditions by click on the blue button. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy your new SCM machine.